Happy Friday. This is Javi here on the BC Boutiques channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing falling leaf chandelier earrings. The ones like I'm wearing now in a different color. So before we come on over, don't forget to comment below for any questions, like the video, and subscribe to the BC Boutiques channel for so much more. So come on over. Okay everybody, before we get started, I'm going to be showing you guys examples. And this is in heavy metals. All these are heavy metal leaves, check glass leaves, and this is Vega purple leaves, and the gold and antique brass. And on the website there is going to be kits available for both of these styles, and of course the one I'm working on right now, that is Caribbean blue. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the other side of that in just a moment. But before we get started, I'm going to be showing you everything that's in the kit, and showing you the tools I'm going to be using as well. So of course I'm just going to move these to the side, but I'm going to really be showing you this. But this is what comes in the kit, and it comes with a couple items. Of course, you got your 2 chain cables to make 2 earrings, 14 jump rings, your leaf beads, your 2 ear wires, and 12 20 gauge wire pre-cut to 2 inches for you guys. So that's what we have in our kit, and we have them in all these 3 colors. So I have my leaves pre-done except for one, because I'm going to show you guys how to make at least one. But if you don't remember how to make these, I did it in the last video. So I'm going to get started with that first. So of course this is pre-cut to 2 inches. Here I got my little handy dandy ruler. 2 inches pre-cut for you. And this is 20 gauge wire. And of course we need your flat nose, chain nose, and round nose pliers and cutters, and your jumpy tool. And we have our leaf right here. So I'm going to just put the wire in there. Has to be straightened, of course. And I'm just going to fold it back like this. I'm going to just fold it back just like this. And just like so. Just like I did in the other video. I'm just going to pull these to the side so it doesn't distract you too much. Now I'm going to just get my round nose pliers and make a little loop on the top. This is perfect to work with. Dee-dee! Little loopy. And now I'm just going to use my chain nose to like open it a little bit so I don't nip it too far away from the other one. Like right about there. That's pretty good. Whoops. And now I'm just going to close it. Close it just like that. Now I'm just going to nip the other ones. Of course, I'm going to pull it away from the center of it and close it on this side as well. I mean, clip it. Okay. This time without it flying. And then close it on this side as well. So it should look like this at the end of it. I'm going to bring it up. There you go. Okay, so we're going to do the other side of this. So I have to do everything the opposite. This is how I did it. One side this way, and then one side the other way. So I got my cable chain right here. They're pre-cut to 9 links on a chain that measure 1 inch long. I think it's 1 inch. It should be 1 inch long. So if you're trying to get some, it should be at least 1 inch long. Kind of can't. Let me just leave it on the ground here. It's 9 links. It should be 1 inch. Okay. So we get our ear wire here. We poke it through one of the links, and then we just close the top. And you can secure it with your chain nose pliers. Just like that. So you should have something like this to start. Next, we're going to grab your flat nose pliers to pick up your jump rings and your jumpy tool. So I'm going to just start by opening my jump ring, and the bottom link I'm going to put the clear one, the clear facing the opposite side. So it's going to be the last link. I'm going to close that. Should look like this. Okay, I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to grab my next jump ring, open that, and I'm doing this the opposite. So I'm going to have this on this side and this on this side, and I'm going to do it from the third link on the chain. We're going to place that one. So I'm going to just do that right now for you guys so I can show you. So it's the third link. 1, 2, 3, right here. And it should look something like this. Okay, the next one. The next one I did was 2 links up next. So we're gonna get the next one and place it 2 links up. So I'm gonna let this dangle for a moment. And it's 1, 2. So it should be the next opening. And we're gonna close that. So let's see the results. That's how it's gonna look like right now. After this, I think it's the next link that's open as well, right here. So 1, 2, 3 up, right there. We're gonna put it. So we're gonna use our jump rings here. And I have to use this light purple. If I could face this right. Okay, I'm sorry. Try and get this in frame for you guys. This is a little hard. So it should be 1, 2, 3. Third one on this side, and then close it. And that's how it's looking so far. And of course, the very last one we have, and it's the aqua. And we're gonna place it on the top link right next to the ear wire, like right below the ear wire, that little link, and you close it right there. And this is the results at the end. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'll point these out for you more clearly if you go like towards this direction. One's supposed to face the other direction, and the one beads are supposed to face one direction, and the other beads are supposed to face the other direction. So it's supposed to look something like this. So I did it every 3 to 2 links. So it should look like this at the end. So once you have 2 done, it should be facing the opposite side. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get like a little tool here. There we go. So it should look like that. Let me just put them on the table. Okay, that's how you get it done, guys. So if you guys want any of these things that of course we have kits on the website on bcboutiques.com. All the supplies, it's on her website as well. And we have kits for the antique brass and heavy metals. We have Caribbean blue in silver and a Vega purple in gold. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for everything, and thank you for watching. Come and join us next time. Bye.